Hey guys, this is Eman from Gadget Pilipinas, and today we are unboxing a new device from ASUS. This is actually one of the most anticipated devices from the brand and the newest member of the Max lineup. So join me as we unbox the Zenfone Max Pro M1. The Zenfone Max Pro M1 is perhaps one of the most highly anticipated devices from the brand, thanks to online exclusivity and surprisingly solid specs for a price that's almost hard to believe. Inside the box, you'll find a SIM ejector along with a sticker, a manual, and of course, a free jelly case that protects the phone while still letting you showcase its design. Before we move to the actual unit, let's take a look at the other things that we can find here. The device comes with a standard 5 volts, 2 amps charger, micro USB cable, headset. Now let's take a look at the unit. The Zenfone Max Pro M1 has a 5.99-inch 18:9 display, sporting a resolution of Full HD+. On the right of the device is the volume rocker and power button, while the left houses a triple slot tray. At the top is a secondary noise-canceling microphone, while the bottom hosts the speaker grill, micro USB port, and headphone jack. At the back is a 12-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual rear camera system, complemented by an 8-megapixel front snapper. As for the rest of the specs, the device is powered by a Snapdragon 636 Octa-Core chip, along with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. Another notable aspect of the device is its software, as this one runs on stock Android 8.1 Oreo. Of course, a Max device wouldn't be complete without a huge battery, and this one has a 5000 mAh power pack. The Zenfone Max Pro M1 will be exclusively available in Lazada starting June 25, 2018, with pre-orders starting June 8 for only 9,995 pesos. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Zenfone Max Pro M1. So I hope you like it. And if you do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, please like our page on Facebook, and please stay tuned to Gadget Pilipinas for our full review. This has been Eman, and thank you for watching.